If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to get old notifications style back on iOS 16 lock screen. To get old notifications style back on iOS 16 lock screen, here is how to do. First, go to Settings. At Settings, tap on Notifications. At Notifications, look at Displays section, and select the List option. Exit Settings. It's that simple. I will show you how to turn iPhone 14 screen from black and white back to color on iOS 16. To turn iPhone screen from black and white to color, here is what to do. First, go to Settings. At Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. At Accessibility, tap on Display and Text Size. At Display and Text Size, scroll down to Color Filters and tap on it. Next, tap the Color Filters toggle off. Exit Settings. To turn iPhone screen from color to black and white, here is what to do. First, go to Settings. At Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. At Accessibility, tap on Display and Text Size. At Display and Text Size, scroll down to Color Filters and tap on it. Next, tap the Color Filters toggle on position. Exit Settings. It's that simple. I will show you how to hide pictures in the locked folder from Photos on iPhone with iOS 16. To hide pictures in the locked folder from Photos on iPhone with iOS 16, here is what to do. First, on iPhone with iOS 16 installed, go to Photos app. At Photos app, select the pictures you want to hide to a locked folder. Next, at the bottom right of the screen, tap on the three dots. On the menu, tap on Hide. And then tap on Hide again. You will notice that the pictures have left from the main Photos folder. To view hidden pictures, at the bottom of your screen in Photos, tap on Albums. On Albums, scroll down to Utilities, and tap on Hidden. The hidden folder is locked, and in order to view the photos, you need to either Face ID or type the 6-digit PIN. It's that simple. I will show you how to remove the search button from home screen on iPhone. Apple has included a search button at the bottom of the home screen of iOS 16 and newer, that when tapped it will bring up the device's search function. You can still pull down on the home screen to activate the search feature on iPhone, so if you find the search button to be redundant, you may remove it. Here is how to remove it. First, go to Settings. At Settings, scroll down and on Search, Show on Home Screen, tap it to the off position. Exit Settings. It's that simple. How to set a timer faster on iPhone. To set a timer in quick fast time, invoke Control Center by swiping down diagonally from the top right of the screen. If your iPhone has a home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Next, long press the timer button. Now, Swipe up on the slider to set a timer duration, then hit Start. As you can see, each tile in the slider increases the timer duration in the following steps: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, and 45 minutes, and 1 or 2 hours. If you need a longer or more specific duration, just ask Siri to set the timer. It's that simple. I will show you how to quick take video from photo mode on iPhone. On iPhone 11 and later models, you can record videos without even switching out of the default photo mode. To capture a quick video in a camera app, just press and hold the shutter button, then release it to stop recording. To keep recording video without having to hold the button, slide the shutter button to the far right or up, depends on how you hold your device. The shutter will stretch elastically under your finger as you do so, and a target padlock icon will appear. When placed on the padlock, the shutter button will remain located there for as long as you shoot video. You can also tap the shutter to take a still photo during the recording. When you're ready to stop shooting video, simply tap the record button below the viewfinder. It's that simple. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.